Hey babies, welcome to Donna's Spot with me, Donna. Today, I have the Dirt Devil Power Max XL Heavy Duty Vacuum Cleaner, which I just tried to put together when I was doing another video for you. And I done broke a little something off, but I ain't worried about it. But we gonna plug this baby in and see how well it works, because it's hot as hell in this house. So, it starts up, because I did have it plugged in a second ago. So, it does power up. Does a good job of picking stuff up. You just gotta go back and forth with it. Let me see if I can get it where you can see it working. It has little brushes on the outside of the vacuum cleaner that's on the spindle that's on the inside of the vacuum cleaner. What that's for, I do not know. But I know that when I go to vacuum, later on tonight, I'm just doing a little spot vacuuming now. But as I go to vacuum tonight, I will be quite happy with this brand new vacuum cleaner. Thank you, Bzzagent, for letting me try it out. I really appreciate it. And I'm going to be vacuuming my heart out. It came right on time for me. So thank you again, Bzzagent. I will link it down below so you can sign up and join to review products. They send you the products absolutely free. You do not have to pay postage and handling. And all you have to do is go on their site and do a review on how you liked it, what you didn't like about it, what you did like about it. And take a picture or two, I'm assuming. And hey, you got a free item. And mine just happens to be a vacuum cleaner with accessories. If you've had any interactions with Dirt Devil Power Max XL vacuum cleaner, please share your opinion. All opinions are welcome, both positive and negative. Until next time, I'll see you later. And please subscribe and give me a thumbs up or down, whichever. And tell me why. Because that shows to YouTube and the algorithms that you want to watch this type of content. So I'll link Bzzagent down below so you can sign up. Until next time, I'll see you later.